In a vast, arid desert, there once lived a camel named Karim. Known far and wide for his resilience and endurance, Karim was a beacon of hope for the nomads who wandered the desert. One day, the desert grew even hotter and drier than usual. The sun baked the sands, and not a drop of water could be found for miles. The nomads were running out of hope, but Karim refused to give up. One fateful day, Karim came across a young traveler who had lost his way. The traveler was on the brink of death from thirst, his eyes sunken and his body weak. Feeling a pang of sympathy, Karim offered to guide the traveler to safety. Through the blazing heat and shifting sands, Karim led the traveler to an oasis. The traveler's eyes widened with gratitude, but Karim simply bowed his head and drank water from his own hump. "Karim, why did you save me when you could have saved your own life?" the traveler asked, astonished. "I was not saving my life," Karim replied, "I was saving yours." In the desert, one must always be ready to help another, for no man is an island, and no camel can carry the weight of the world upon his hump. With renewed strength, the traveler continued on his journey, and Karim, content, returned to the desert. His sacrifice served as a reminder to all who crossed his path that selflessness and generosity are the true keys to survival. The story of Karim the camel serves as a parable for all people, reminding us that we must never forget the importance of helping others, for in doing so, we not only save them, but also ourselves.